Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will talk about animations and transitions. Slider revolution, layer animations and transitions can be found under layer options in animation. For setting animation of any layer, first click on the layer you want to edit, like text or image. We will take this image as a reference. After selecting the image, go to Layers and click on Animation. Under Keyframes and Option, we can select when the image enters. We can set when the image enters the slide by this timeline. We can set its time duration and adjust it according to our need. This anim from is from where the animation starts. Under Anim to Option, we can adjust when the animation ends. We can also adjust the time duration in milliseconds from over here. Now I have set the time duration for animation of 1 second. You can also adjust the start time of the animation by adjusting the time. In this easing option, we can adjust the animation type. In the Out option, we can set how the animation ends when a new slide is added. We can also see its preview in the timeline. We can also adjust its duration and start time. Once our adjustment is done, we can play it from our timeline by clicking on this play button. We can see the live preview of the animation. We can also see how the slide ends by dragging it till the end. That wraps up about animations and transitions in Slider Revolution. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.